Hey, here he is. So, let's go look at some roadside attraction. Welcome to Blue Bike Doors channel. Kick that intro. Hey y'all, welcome back to the Blue Bike and Doors channel down here in Columbus, Georgia. Oop, that's the kickstand. Couldn't catch it with my foot, too short-legged. So let me get out here into the road. And we'll do you know what time it is. It's 9:16. You can't see nothing over this road. So, what's up, NVA Rider? Go check out his channel. So, we down here in Columbus, Georgia, and it's 59 degrees at 9:17. So we gonna run down here. I ain't never been to the Riverwalk. Did you know they got rapids down here? You can ride the Whitewater Rapids in Columbus, Georgia. Yep. But we gonna go see a roadside attraction they moved called Kadie the Cow. Used to be a, what was it there for? Chick-fil-A or something? I don't. Oh, it was a dairy farm where they built. What did they build? They built a. Dang it. Is this where we want to turn? I believe it is, because I'm taking the, it was a dairy farm, and then they built a shopping center there, and it was at Bet's by Kadie the Cow. So let's go check out Kadie the Cow. I don't know where this thing's taking me, because I forgot I was going somewhere else. So let me get this all situated. I gotta go to 1000 Bay Avenue. Route and view. Route. Replace. Go. Yeah, 4 miles down here. 4.8 miles. Wow, look at them cranes. Huh. Building that new apartment building. This is smack dab downtown Columbus, Georgia. I believe that bus is down here we've been to before. Oh, I see blue. This is the hipster section. There's that Rocket Fizz that candy store that the Tanks did a tank for, you know, a fish aquarium. Not that one, but the main store. Yeah, this is the hipster part of Columbus. Whew. And I don't know if it's 2 lanes or 1. A lot of art stuff downtown. Maybe they had a I don't know what you would call it. Block off the city block party, maybe. So, always fresh. Donuts. I explains one of the cops down here. He's getting him some donuts. That ain't stereotypical. Just turn his blue lights on and go get him some donuts. Oh, Whitewater Express. So, there's the Rush South. Huh. I see it, but they still working on Betsy the Cow. Betsy. Where's Betsy the Cow? Looks like he's zipline, maybe. I don't know. So we here. There's a KWC Bradley. Yeah, So that's Betsy. They supposed to move to last year. I guess they're gonna paint her up. Not Betsy, that's Kadie. Yeah, she was up there on the other side of town. And they moved it down here for the Riverwalk. So here we are, looking at Betsy. Oh, yes, they moved it in 2022, but I guess they had to, like I said, they sent some painter probably. Ugh, look. Don't want to stand on this end. Well, there's the Riverwalk. We can just shoot down through there, right? Hey, you gotta go down and around. Huh. Yes, you can zip line. Yep. They got this is the Riverwalk in Columbus. Told you that was a zip line. Squirrels. 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 Oh my God, squirrels. 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 Squirrel. We'll have to come down and go zip line. Alright, we seen the water. Yeah, they like drawing artwork. Well, Dick. They dicking around. Alright, switch it to photos. But anyway, I think that's about all we're going to do here. It's the Columbus State University. Letters of staff, Sarge, German, something. I don't know. So I'm going to one minute. Alright, that's a bridge. This is a King Hand Girls. Jane Dickerson, and then in memorial of Elizabeth woman diaper or so. One last look at Betsy. I ran over that bottle right there, like that dang Gatorade bar. These people down here are kind of messy. Won't pick up the trash, just throw it out in the street. Yeah, they just did that. Well, I don't know where you're going. Are you turning? I don't see no blinker, no blinker. You don't have a blinker? I think this was an old mill, You could drive down through there. There's a road closed. Well, I don't know. These cars was going down through here. I don't see no barricades. Luxury apartments, that's what those are. See what this is, don't you? Yep, John. Concert hall. Much to see till we get out of here, and we got like 34 miles to to get out of here. To get to our next stop. This is a new roadside attraction due to us. We ain't been there. Is that a one-way street? Nope. So we'll get up there about 33 miles going to Valley, Alabama. See some metal people. We in the valley, ain't that how the valley girls talk? Valley, like Becky, look at her butt. It is so big. Oh me. We're in Valley, Alabama. Looking for some metal people. Hope we can find them. I think people's late getting to church, what it looks like. Alright, they should be. I see them. I spotted them. See them over there at the railroad crossing deal? Yep. That's what we're looking for. Roadside attraction, roadsideamerica.com. Let's see here. Trying to upbeat Valley, Alabama. So this is yeah, what you see, made out of gears and all that was used in this factory. I believe what they say. You got a bulldog, or maybe that's a pig, but I'm thinking it's a bulldog. And then you got a Labrador, all geared, and you got a son. Well, nowadays you don't know. Well, maybe son. And then you got a Mrs. Chain and Mr. Change, Mr. Sprocket, made out of gears and springs and railroad stuff. Alrighty then, we see them. Alright, we're leaving the metal people. We're going to go look at some more metal people. I'm going to drive through this pavilion. Which is just right up the road, I think. Let's should do a jump off. No, I think not. Because the light's fixing to change. Will we get the pointed line? Yes, we do. And there they are saluting. It's a soldier, I think, what it is. We'll see. I mean, look. Out. So this is Sarge and his service dog Scrappy were created by local artist Chuck Moore to honor the men and women that served in our country. Sarge and Scrappy was crafted from machinery parts from the local textile mill. I think the same one that did the ones we just came from. Even got dog tags. Sarge and Scrappy. K9 number 1. Alright, what Sarge says. Nothing on the back that says Sarge. Alrighty, well there you have Sarge saluting the flag. Oh, I can't bend my neck. Alright. Well there you have it. Quick little revisit and 2 new roadside attractions that we have seen. And so Sarge got something growing out back of his head. Oh, it's an old fire extinguisher. And I guess that's it. But it's pretty neat. He got 0 pressure. He's man in control. People like stopping and looking at us because we're standing here. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed a little roadside attraction. We headed to the house and enjoyed our little weekend getaway. Go check out that video right about there. That one there. Hit the subscribe button over here somewhere. And we'll catch you on the next roadside adventure.